I spun around on the chair and now I feel super dizzy. Hello! Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial, if you probably have already guessed from the title. Damn titles, I vote that we get rid of all titles. So it's just a mystery box of what you click on. No, that would probably be awful, actually. Note to self, never hire me for any sort of thing like that, because I will most likely run it into the ground with silly ideas such as that. So today's tutorial is the first one that I have filmed with the new Jeffree Star Alien palette, and I'm going to be giving one of these away. I have that one down there, and I'm going to be announcing the giveaway at the end of the full review video, which I'm also filming tonight, which will be up before this video. I'm not 100% sure of the order of which these videos are going to go up, but I'm going to be giving one of these bad boys away, and I'm going to show you. I have used this a decent amount of times, to the point where I have worn the shade Alien down quite a bit. That's definitely been my favorite shade in this whole entire palette so far. That and Space Cowboy. Anyway, today's look is this, which is, I don't know, I kind of was just playing around with makeup and I decided to slap every single green within this palette on my eyes today, and that's exactly what I did, plus a little bit of purple, because I wanted to break up the green a little bit, but I don't think the purple is that noticeable. I probably should have worked a bit harder on making that purple just a little bit more noticeable, but hey, what am I going to do? The look's done. I like it. And yeah, so if you want to know how I achieved this look, then just keep watching and I'll show you how I did it. So to begin, within this tutorial, I am using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the white shade, which is Fair 00. I have found that this is a great primer for when you're using very, very vivid and bright colors that you want to increase the saturation of. So this is a great base that stays all day, and I'm just putting that all over my eyes and my lower lash line. And then I am moving in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Velour Lipstick in I'm Royalty, and I'm just placing that on the inner third to help the purple really pop, as I'm going to be saturating the eye mostly with green, as you can see. I then take that purple shade, Area 51, and I apply this on the inner third, and I kind of drag that up into the crease a little bit and further up towards my eyebrow for a bit of definition. I then move in with the shade Abduction, and I saturate my brush with it, and I apply this to the upper crease area up to my brow, all around the eye, creating kind of a green halo around the whole entire eye area. I kind of omit the inner corner area because I've got other colors that are going to go there, but as I said, I saturate a halo around the eye. I am now taking this shade called Flying Saucer, and this is a very, very cool toned green. It can appear a little bit teal, but it's definitely more on the green side. I am taking this and I'm using this to further define the crease. I'm not putting that much on the lower lash area, as there's going to be more detail going on. I'm just using this as a definition shade and kind of a transition shade, but it's more for definition and to really deepen certain areas of the eye. I then quickly go back with the shade Abduction, and I use this just to make sure that everything is completely blended and seamless. I then take the LA Splash Midnight Elixir primer because this is incredibly good for metallic shadows as it has a sticky surface and allows them to really build. So I use that, and then I take this shade Alien, my favorite shade in this palette, and I kind of fill in everywhere else with this, and I take this all the way down on the lower lash line and make sure it's blended out quite a bit, that you will be able to see this through the black detailing, which will be coming soon. On the same brush, I take the shade Pluto and Alien, a little bit of Alien, mostly Pluto, and I use this as the inner corner highlight, just to add a little bit extra to the eye and balance the dark with the light. I then go back with that purple shade, Area 51, and I go back and forth between that and the shade Alien just to get the balance that I'm after between the purple and the green. I want the purple to be a bit of a peekaboo kind of shade, but green to be the main shade of the look. I then begin with the eyeliner, and I'm doing kind of an extreme eyeliner with a line through the cut crease area. Now this is quite intricate and it does take a long time. It's not the most intricate, but it does take a steady hand and a lot of practice to be able to do these kind of looks without kind of screwing up your makeup a couple of times. When I'm doing details like the crease line area, you'll see me do what I call a dry run, and that is when the brush has run dry and I just very lightly take it over into the area that I wish to make a detail or a pattern or something, and it just uses that little bit on the brush to create a very faint line, which allows me to kind of sketch out what I'm doing. Now that I'm finished with the eyeliner, I then take the shade Black Hole and I draw these three spike thingos, I don't know, these lines that taper off the bottom of the eye, I make sure I line up the center one with my pupil. It doesn't look like it here, but I'm looking off to the side, but I line it up there, and then I draw 2 more on either side, and then I also kind of smoke out the edge of the eyeliner just because I like that look. I then take the liquid velour lipstick in the shade I'm Royalty, and I use this on the waterline to accentuate the purple. This is completely eye safe. All of Jeffree Star's liquid lipsticks are eye safe, and I love them as eyeliners. I then apply mascara to my upper and lower lashes, just a single coat, and then I apply lashes. And the lashes I'm using today are some of my recent favorites, and these are the Carina style from Black Moon Cosmetics. So that is the tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed this look. I probably filmed that part a few times because I kept screwing up on the word tutorial. I hate it so bad when I stutter. If you guys saw all of the trashed footage from my videos, you would start thinking something is deeply wrong with me. From my rambling to my stuttering to my total just blank moments where I just sit there and do nothing. You would think I'm just a total wreck. I probably am. So hey, what's new? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I would love to be here for every single video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you see when I upload, because I upload quite frequently and I'm trying to get to 3 uploads every single week, but it's been a bit difficult. As you guys know, I work, I'm a mother, all of that stuff. It's difficult, but I'm getting there, okay? I'm trying. Like this video if you enjoyed this tutorial, comment down below if there's something you would like to see on this channel, and hope you all have an absolutely wonderful, fantabulous day. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.